The Integrator account is a portal for integrators to stay connected to inductive automation by accessing exclusive news, learning resources, marketing and sales materials, access to an Ignition development license, and to edit your integrator profile for the Find Integrator listing. You can access the Integrator account by going to inductiveautomation.com and clicking on the icon on the top right. There, you can see resources like the Ignition Exchange, Inductive University, and the Integrator account. You click on that, and you would log in with your Inductive Automation account. Once you log in, you're able to see your integrator status, and you have contact information for your sales executive, your sales engineer, and the Integrator Program Manager. You scroll down, you'll see the news section where you can get exclusive news for integrators. And this includes case studies, tips and tricks videos, and a lot more. Next is a learning resources section where you can get videos on specific tips and tricks and how-tos on building Ignition projects. You can get tips on marketing Ignition, and you can also watch the exclusive Coffee with Kevin Tea with Travis series. You can click on the View All Learning to see all of the videos that are there, and you can also, of course, filter by the specific type. The sales training videos are tips and tricks on how to sell Ignition. And this goes over being able to solve pain points for our customers, how to approach a customer with Ignition, especially if they have legacy systems, and a lot more. The marketing training videos in this section help you with building your brand and getting leads for Ignition. The Coffee with Kevin Tea with Travis is a live session where integrators can ask questions on any part of Ignition and get exclusive content on new features. There's a lot of really amazing content in this learning resources section. The next section is the tools section, and here there are a couple of links to our license manager and to our online Ignition demo. Now we'll cover the license manager in more detail in another video. You can access the online Ignition demo project at demo.inductiveautomation.com. You can also get access to a development license for Ignition. You can see here that I already have a license available, but if you don't, you can click to request access to the license, and an account executive will send you the license key, and it'll also be available in the license manager. Lastly, in this section, you can edit your integrator profile for the Find Integrator listing. And with that, you can update your company's logo, your company's information. You can specify whether or not you travel for customer projects. You can also earn specialization badges for being an enterprise integrator, an IoT integrator, or an MES integrator. And you can simply click on the Earn Badge link to request that particular specialization. Next, you can see your Ignition verified experience. So once you have a project under your belt, you can let our account executive know, and we'll record that project so it shows up in the listing. And lastly, you can specify which industries you have experience in. You can simply select the industry and add it, and you can select up to 5 industries they have experience in that you want listed in your profile. The last section of the integrator profile is the marketing and sales materials. So here you can actually download product sheets, brochures, architecture diagrams, logos, slide PowerPoints, and a lot more. I want to call out a few of the resources in particular in this section. The first is the PowerPoint we use here in Inductive Automation when we demonstrate Ignition, and it goes over the company overview and of course the overview of Ignition, both in PowerPoint form and in Keynote form. Another resource is the Ignition comparison chart, and here you can actually see all the features of Ignition and compare that to a customer's current system. We also have lots of great product sheets that you can reference and brochures. There are module icons as well as architecture icons that you can use to build architectures for your customers. This section has a lot of great logo packs for Inductive Automation and for Ignition that you can use for your website and your marketing materials. We created the Integrator account as a resource for you, and we highly encourage that you log in and take advantage of all the resources.